Okay, now that we've got OpenSCAD installed, I want to show you a couple of things real quickly, give you a sense of it if you've never used OpenSCAD. In the top left-hand corner, you see there are 3 lines of what look to be program code. There's a command sphere, and the parameters in parentheses are R, meaning radius, equal 10. And here 10, I'm assuming, means millimeters. It really doesn't matter what it is. When you convert the file to an STL file, that's going to be our assumption, and when it's sent to the printer, that's the unit that we're going to tell the printer we're working with. When you've made some changes to the code, you're going to press the F5 key to render it there in the top right hand pane. Now we've got just the sphere, and I've got a couple of lines, and they're commented out with double slashes. That's very similar to the way other programming languages like C++ and others will allow you to deactivate a line. I'm going to go ahead and remove those and hit F5, and you notice that now I have a cylinder. Now the parameters here, H means height, and that's set to 40, and the radius here, 15. Now, I don't like necessarily that cylinder is occupying the same space as the sphere, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to activate now this line. It's translate, and the statements following it are going to be offset by the numbers inside the brackets. The x-axis 20 millimeters, y-axis 0, and z-axis 0. Let's hit F5 again. And we see that we shifted that cylinder, we translated it. Now notice that I've still got a little overlap, and if I were to print these two basic primitive shapes just like they are now, it would come out as a single piece because the sphere and the cylinder intersect. Now that's really the trick that we're going to be using all the way through here to make the finger segments join to the pin joints, the knuckles. So basically that's a quick introduction. We're going to use a lot of other commands in OpenSCAD, but that's enough for now.